name is David Rack, and along with my business partner Michael Fisher, we created Gravity Trails in 2009. Gravity Trails refers to the natural force that pulls us to explore, and Trails refers to the many different paths we take in our adventures. Gravity Trails evolved from following a passion of exploring the outdoors through extreme and leisurely eco-tours, kayaking, paddleboarding, kitesurfing, hiking, and biking. We love the funk of the city and the swamps, the style and flair of the friendly locals and tourists, and the accessibility and diversity of wildlife throughout NOLA and the surrounding area. This makes for a fun and safe experience to share with tourists and locals alike. Leave no trace is a policy we adhere to. Our guests mainly look for a fun and safe experience to put a smile on their face. What they come to realize after their experience with us is a respect and greater appreciation for the surrounding natural environment. Leave no trace benefits our safety and livelihood as well as that of the wildlife. The future of Gravity Trails is to continue to explore and to share those eco-experiences with anyone with a sense of adventure. So come join us, and we hope to see you on the water.